Hello everyone, welcome back to TK and Adam's Adventure channel. Today I am giving you a full tour of our balcony stateroom on the Norwegian Escape. So I hope this video help you decide which room you would like to get for the next cruise with the Norwegian. So let's take a look at it. Right as you walk in, the bathroom is on one side. It's compact, but very functional. You've got a mirror, shelves for the toiletries, and a storage under the sink. The shower is not huge, but big enough to fit one adult. And they provide a shampoo and a body wash, so if you're not so picky about the shampoo and a body wash, no need to bring them. The next is the closet area. There is a hanging space, shelves, and a safe for passport and cash and valuable stuff. The storage space is pretty decent. For suitcase, we put the biggest suitcase in a closet and the two others under the bed. For the rest of the room, you got a bed, which is set up as two twins pushed together, looks like a queen-size bed. This is one downside to mention. When the two twins are pushed together, the middle is raised higher, making it difficult for cuddles. Not a big deal, but not the most comfortable if you try to snuggle. I did not find any outlets by the bed, only USB port. So if you have a C-port charger for the phone, you might need to charge it at the desk by the couch when you sleep. Across from the bed is the TV, so you can watch from the bed or the sofa. It shows ship info, daily schedule, movies, and your onboard account balance, which you can check how much you spend on the real-time basis. I think it is important to check your account balance occasionally so that you will not be surprised at the end of the cruise with a credit card bill. Below the TV is the desk. Desk is great for charging devices and doing a little work, which I filled out the waiver for one of our excursions. Next to that is the couch, which is comfortable and great for relaxing. In some balcony rooms, this couch can be converted into a bed for extra guests. So if you have trouble with a guest, this is where the guest will sleep. For the balcony, you get 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for morning coffee, sunsets, or just watching the ocean go by. So overall, Norwegian Escape balcony stateroom is a good choice. It's clean, comfortable, and well designed. It has a few minor drawbacks, but a balcony alone makes it worth it, in my opinion. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Safe travel, everyone. Bye.